Hello, my name's Ryan Nicoletti-Dowd from the Joico European design team, and today I'm going to share with you some of my favourite structure products. We have our model here, Tim, who has medium length hair and he has a medium texture with slight wave. Our product of choice is going to be Beach. Now this is a texture spray from Structure. We spray 15 to 20 centimetres from the head. Use the fingers as a raking technique, lifting the hair, make sure the product works into the roots, and just drag the product through to the mid-lengths and ends. We're now going to blow dry the hair on a medium speed and medium heat. Going to go through and just roughly work the fingers into the hair, allowing it to move and have a natural movement, allowing the product to take effect. As the hair dries through, you'll feel the product working and getting the benefits out of the hair. And we're going to be lifting, applying the heat into the scalp, moving the hair from side to side and bringing it through to the mid-lengths and ends. So once the hair's been dried, allow it to sort of breathe and let it cool down before applying the finishing product. You can see just by leaving it with the Beach, it just gives a lived-in effect and just takes and encourages the wave and the movement within the hair. So now the hair's cooled and we're ready to finish Tim's hair. Now Conform is a hard clay and we're going to work a little bit through onto the fingers, about the size of a fingernail, and work it into the palms and warming the product up into the fingers so we can create a raking technique. Always work from the back, as this is the most densest part of the hair. We're just working through the mid-lengths and ends and manipulating and scrunching the product into the hair. This will just start creating definition and separation within the finished look. So when you've applied the finishing product, we're just going to set the hair with Structure's finish. Again, a very light hairspray with a hold factor 2 to 3. Shake the can, spray from above for a finished look. So here we have Tim up with our finished look. So just a recap on the products we chose today. So for texture, we worked Beach from Structure. It will create a nice gritty texture into the hair. Then Conform, which is a hard clay. Now you work this through the mid-lengths and ends to create separation. Finally, finish is great just to do as it says on the tin, finish.